Hi, my name is Ezra, and I am a native English speaker from Wisconsin in the Midwestern United States. I have a bachelor's degree in Spanish and political science from the University of Wisconsin and a master's degree in international relations from Marquette University. I have spent many years studying languages, and I understand how challenging and rewarding it can be. In addition to my personal language study, I have more than 4 years of experience teaching and tutoring. I worked for 2 years tutoring young adults in many subjects including English and Spanish, and I worked as a teaching assistant for another 2 years, helping with the instruction of a variety of university-level courses. I have also spent semesters studying in South America and Southern Europe, and I am comfortable working with people at any level of language skill. I think that the most important part of learning a new language is interacting with people who can use that language fluently. My lessons incorporate writing and speaking exercises and games to make sure that my students get the best possible experience from the time that I spend with them. I am happy to help you improve your English, no matter what level you are at now. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.